Previously on today's video.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Princess Money and I'm back with another video. And today's video, well, this whole video is gonna be like, it's gonna be kind of long, but then again it's not. It's gonna be like midway, like not too long, not too short. So y'all be spending a couple of days with me, not a week, not a day, a couple of days. So like, you know, whenever I'm doing something that I know I need to pick up and record for you guys throughout the week, then I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna make it too long. Like, I really don't want to be skipping 2-3 days, come back a week later. I don't want to do all that. I just want to be back to back. But then again, like I said, I'm not gonna be doing much. So like I said, whenever I'm doing something, I'll pick up the camera and show you guys. But today, starting off the first day, it is the 4th of July, and I'm about to go to a festival. They got pelicans, food, sweets, and then they got the fireworks at 9 o'clock. So me and my cousin and mama finna head out down to where this is, which is in Rocky Mount, which is like at least a 30-minute drive from where I stay. So first things first, I'm gonna show y'all the fit. Okay y'all, so this is the fit. So I got this little handprint shirt from Shein. Hold on y'all, my bra slipping down. Handprint shirt from Shein, and the orange shorts is from Shein. I had a hard time putting this outfit together because I had some denim shorts and I was like, they really don't go. So I saw my orange shorts and I was like, yes, it's definitely gonna go with this one. And I like the orange because it's bringing my skin tone out. I put my hair in a little messy bun, you know, cute little bun, because I did take out my soft lock, as you guys see. Shoes, I'm gonna put on my black sandals. Y'all seen that before, the little black sandals that I got from Shein. Them are my only black sandals, so I had to put, you know, bring the black out some more because now it's looking like I'm an orangey, like I just got too much orange on. Then I just have my everyday purse to go with the fit because I don't have no specific purse to match with this. I do have an orange purse. I don't think it'll look right with this fit, so I'm just gonna throw my black purse. So now me and my cousin's about to take some pictures, and then we're gonna head out in at least 10 to 15 minutes to get on the road to go to the festival. So I'll see you guys at the festival. So we made it to the destination, but we're not gonna go to like the festival, like to get funnel cake, stuff like that, because like it's real packed. There's no space for parking or none of that. So we just have to wait on the fireworks, and it's gonna be like another 15 minutes to the fireworks start. So we sitting out here waiting, and it's packed, like everybody everywhere, like, so that's what we're doing. Y'all see that? Alright, so I never got back with you guys last night when I made it back home, but we was out there. We got out there at 8:30, and I told my mama, like, I did want to like go inside the festival. Like, they had pelicans, funnel cakes, and like, you know, all the food, they was performing something like that, and I did want to go and see that so I can show you guys, but I think we got there a little too late. Like, it was already crowded. All the parking spots was like gone. Everything was down because they was getting ready to do the fireworks. So they did start the fireworks a little late, but other people in the neighborhood was doing them. So they started the fireworks around 9:30. So as you see by that cough, I'm sick. I don't know if I have a bad cold or COVID, but I think it's just a bad cold because I do sleep with my fan on my face every night. So yesterday, my throat was hurting. It wasn't sore, nothing. It was just dry. And I was coughing real bad, but not like this. So then I went to sleep. I woke up and my throat was kind of feeling the same way. So I thought that drinking was going to help, which drinking really didn't help. I took pain relievers and that didn't work. So my mom gave me some cold medicine and that helped a little bit. So when I took the medicine, I did go to sleep after I ate and took the medicine, and now I'm feeling better. So my throat's not hurting, it's just I'm coughing up the cold, I guess. I'm going to Fairy Tale Concessions, and they are on like their little tour. So where they going to like Wilson, they going to Greenville, Rocky Mount. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. So they're actually where I live, and it's from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. and it's 444. The angel numbers I called y'all, but it's 444 right now. So I'll probably get there at 5. But they concession stand is 9 minutes away from my house, so I wanted to go there. They said they have classic funnel cakes, fried Oreos, fried honey bun, fried Snickers, candy apple, shaved ice, and specialty funnel cake. So any kind of funnel cakes you want, you can get it. And I wanted the fried Oreos. I will see you guys when I'm on the way to the concession. Alright, y'all, I'm back. The line was like short, but I'm just there in the car, but it started getting long, so I had to get in the line. So let me show y'all my fried Oreos, and it's only like 4 or 5. These are my fried Oreos, so I'm finna try one on the camera. Yeah, it's so good. I hear my little foggy. Y'all, I'm finna finish eating it, and I'll see y'all later. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Princess Money, and I am back. It is July the 7th. The last time I talked to you guys was July the 5th. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all a quick update. So basically, I had caught a bad sore throat the day of July, but I didn't let that stop me. I still went to go watch the fireworks, and I still enjoyed myself, took pictures and did everything. Next day I woke up, I realized I had a bad cold. I was coughing bad for like 2-3 days straight. That I had it coughing bad, you know, sore throat. I was trying to get that to heal. It was just sore for like 2 days, and then like the 3rd day it was feeling back like itself. And yesterday night I actually caught like a stuffed up nose, but it's off and on. Sometimes it's stuffed up, sometimes it's not. Like it's feeling good, sometimes it's not feeling good. So I had to like blow snot out and stuff, and I still have the cough a little bit, but today I'm actually feeling better. Out of the whole little 3-day 4-day trial that I had it, today is like the best I've ever felt. So I was like, I have to get up and I have to do a video on my channel because it's almost been a week, and at least I'm feeling somewhat good. So this is my time to get up and do a video. So it's currently July the 7th, and it's late at night, and I wanted to do something for my channel, but I just didn't know what to do. So I thought my mom had bought a cake. Why not make a cake on my channel? Because I already did one cooking video on my channel, but I wanted to do like more of them. So I was like, why not bake a cake so that way I can have something to post? So I was like, I'm just gonna get up and do that. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm not gonna add all the clips from when I'm baking the cake because I still have to film. I'm not gonna put this in the couple days in my life video because this video is gonna go out a little bit later. So y'all are gonna see the where I'm baking the cake a little bit before y'all see this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start making the cake, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, y'all, this is how it's looking. So I have my cake batter in here. I got everything that I need. Vegetable oil, got my mixer, got my measuring cups, got eggs and water, of course. This is the behind the scenes on my So everything is in here, and now I'm just mixing. Y'all see that? So I'm mixing all the egg, the vegetable oil, and the water. The icing 10 out of 10, I recommend. But alright, y'all, so it's July the 11th and it's currently like 5 something, so I'm about to go feed the ducks with my niece. We got like a lot of bread from a recent party we had, so my mom was like, we don't do nothing with it, we can go feed the ducks, so we gotta go feed the ducks. So I will see you guys when I get there. Look.
Bye, have a great time.